step into a new era of laundry innovation. With the Equator's ultimate EW826 washer and ED852 vented dryer set. Save space by conveniently stacking the dryer on the washer with the free stacking kit included. This premium stackable laundry set measures 61.5 inches high, 24 inches wide, and 22 inches deep. The EW826 washer offers 12 wash cycles, including pre-wash, delicate, and winterize, and has a 1.62 cubic feet capacity. Eliminate pet hair with our innovative pet cycle and keep your fabrics fur-free. Its antibacterial drum baffle keep your clothes fresh and odor-free. Choose from 5 drying programs such as hot, warm, time dry, air dry, and more. This 3.5 cubic feet digital dryer features a special sensor dry option to prevent over-drying. Available in black, white, or silver, this 110 volts laundry set can easily blend into any modern interiors. Ready to upgrade your laundry game? Bring home the Equator Super Washer and Dryer set today.